Hi everybody, good morning. This is Michelle with Creative Operation. Today I want to share with you another box that I got from Your Creative Studio. This is the number 11 bake box, and it is full of wonderful little items. And I just want to tell you that I'm working on a recipe journal that I have wanted to do for years, and this came right at the perfect time. So when I get all of these things kind of incorporated into that journal, then I will come back and I'll show you that. I've started working on it and it's turning out really great. And as a matter of fact, I'll just show you the cover. I'll give you a sneak peek. I'm working on this. I have been wanting to do this for a long time. This is a reproduction of a recipe book that I bought. I actually have one in my recipe cupboard that I actually use, and I bought another one just so that I could turn it into a journal. But I've started working on it, and I think it's going to turn out amazing. So when I get these things incorporated into this, I will let you know. It's just a fun project to do. And this came at the perfect time. I had no idea that this was the one I was going to be getting, and it's just awesome. So let's go through this again. Again, this is from Your Creative Studio, and I will have a link below in the description so you can go check it out. And this is the bake box. As always, she puts a card in there and thanks you for your purchase. And then on the back, you have this beautiful image that I have seen kind of scattered throughout all of the things that I received in this box. It says, "Baking is my love language." I just really think that's pretty, and she is absolutely adorable. Now, the other thing too is you'll notice that I have already opened it and looked at it because my grandkids were here when I got the package and they were super excited to see what Grandma got. So we went through it, and I had to stop them from trying to sneak stickers and stuff because I was like, I got to do the unboxing first, kids, and then if there's any leftovers, then I'll let you play with some. So we'll see what happens because there might not be any leftovers. But anyway, let's go through here real quick. So all of the packages come with really awesome products, and you get these wooden stamps. So look at these two cute wooden stamps that you get with this package. I mean, absolutely adorable. And then also in this one, there are some cling stamps too. So you have some baking implements, you have Bake the World a Better Place here, you got a couple chefs here, just really nice images here, and you can put those on your acrylic blocks and they work really well. So I'm going to be using those. I'll kind of put these off to the side for a second. Now, this one here I'm super excited about. The rub-ons that I got in a previous package were absolutely perfection. So 3 sheets of beautiful rub-ons with these vintage images, which is going to be perfect for my recipe journal, right? I mean, absolutely gorgeous. Every box so far I have received washi tape. So we have this beautiful gingham check pattern that matches everything perfectly. And so far in every box I have received a sticker sheet that has black and white stickers, which go really, really well with, you know, adding a little you know, something to your pages. So I just love that. And the rolling pins, I mean, perfect. In this little one, it's called Time Machine, and it's little bits of beautiful sticker paper. And yeah, it is sticker paper, right? I'm going to double check and make sure that it is because it feels like it, but I want to make sure I'm not steering you wrong. And it is. It's like washi sticker paper. And there's all kinds of different images in here. I mean, everything. So it's not just baking. You've got some other image. This one here, Paris 1900 corsets. I mean, just super cute stuff. So lots of layering I can see in my future with that. Look at that. Just adorable images. So there's a ton of them in here, you can see. So I got that. Let's see. In this little package here that I opened up called Pine Branch, it has 30 pieces in here, and it's everything from little washi sticker flowers. We have some other images here. This one says sweet scented. Here's some beautiful papers. We have stamps, all kinds of different things. Look at and there's 2 of everything in here, so that's really nice too. So not just, oh, actually this one looks like, is it 3? No, it's 2, because there's 2 more. A druggist label here. So really amazing things in here. So I can't wait to use those. That'll look good in my journal too, because it's not just for recipes. Let's look at these. So we've got like some little journaling pieces, ticket. That's cute. I like that. And you can see the paper is textured too. That's really nice. Little tags. I love this. Very, very, very cute papers. And then some mushrooms there. Little labels. So I really like this. It's really pretty. So that came in that little package here. So we got that. And then here was a package of papers. And this has different kinds of papers. We have everything from like vellum papers to sticker paper, all kinds of different images. Look at, and there's that pretty little girl again. She's gorgeous. Gorgeous. I can't wait to use these papers. Different designs, different things. Some of them are stickered, some of them are textured. So yeah, so it's just awesome. So you get lots and lots and lots. I mean, there's a ton of different papers in there to play with. So I can't wait. And then look at the package that it came in. You could actually use that too, which I have done. Yes, I have. In this little package here was all kinds of different images as well. So we have like stickers, little vellum stickers, and we have, look at that, the cake. Super sweet. Mom with the kids. Burger. There you go. So all kinds of different little stickers here. Different images. Look at this gal. I love her. Very cute. So there's all kinds. Oh, and even like Coca-Cola. All those little stickers. And then there's, oh, look at that. There's some pears, ice cream sodas. I mean, these kits are loaded. And then all these little vellum papers here. Really sweet cakes. This is going to look really nice in my journal. Yep, when I incorporate these, this is going to work perfectly. The pancakes, there's more Coke, sodas, very nice. So, oh, I love that. Oh, and there you go with an Oreo. Really cute. And a mojito. Yeah, baby. Now you're talking. It's not 6:30 in the morning. No. I owe you a romantic meal for two. That's sweet too. Okay, so that's in there. So that came in there. I got this little box of stickers, and these are all like baking items. We've got waffles, we've got bread loaves, cinnamon buns, all kinds of different bread stickers, because this is a baking box, right? So you've got all those little stickers to play with. I think there's even, yep, pretzels. Look at that. And then, let's see, the rice paper, real thin tissue paper, I'll leave it in the package because it's hard to get back in the package, but it has some really cute chef's hat, bread, a cutting board in there, really nice paper there. And then I showed you that. So yeah, I got a lot of stuff in this package and it's really amazing. So this is, the timing couldn't have been more perfect for what I was doing with my my recipe journals. So yeah, I'll be back soon and show you a walkthrough. Go check out your creative studio, and I will see you again soon with more tutorials. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.